Welcome back. In our last video, we show you how you can subscribe to the Simba SIM card. And today we are now right here at this Somerset MRT station, heading towards Orchard Central to collect the SIM card. If you are taking the MRT, you should take the North-South line and alight at Somerset station. So exit from the station and go by exit D. Walk along this path and then turn left. You will see an escalator. So go down the escalator. Take this escalator down one level. Now turn right and head towards Orchard Central. Right ahead, you will see the supermarket Don Donkey. Over here, you have to turn right, and you will see the lift landing. Take the lift to level 4 from here. Once you exit from the lift, you should be able to see the Simba store. As it's a weekday and it's around 1 PM, there isn't a crowd there. There are not many people in the queue. It took me only 5 minutes to collect the SIM card. If you are porting your number over to Simba, please remember to bring your existing telco bill. They will need to verify that the number belongs to you. Okay, I just collected my SIM card, and this SIM card looks exactly like the same SIM card that I used for the trial, except it now shows Simba Mobile instead of TPG. Now let's unwrap it and then insert the SIM card. Once you have inserted the SIM card, do remember to change the APN setting to TPG. This is to ensure that data roaming will work properly. Okay, now we are going to put the Simba to the test. Now we have 3 phones with 3 SIM cards. On the left is the Zero1 SIM card. At the center is the Simba. And on the right is the circles.life. We will run the 4G speed test on 3 phones all at the same time. Wow, from the downlink speed, it seems that the Simba actually outperforms the circles.life and also the Zero1 SIM. As Simba runs on the TDD band 40, it's expected that the uplink speed is slower than the other 2 that operates on the FDD bands. Depending on your location of the test, you might get different results. For $10, you are getting 100 GB of data and also free data roaming. It's a steal. I hope you guys like this video. Do remember to like and share this video, and remember to turn on the notification bell for future videos. See you in the next video.